I'm Grant Schuster. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Accelerant. We are a first of its kind production as a service, or in the traditional industry, equipment as a service provider. We build custom proprietary solutions and bring them to the cannabis industry. What started the partnership was an introduction when we first started the company. And against better judgment, we did not go with MTA, and we spent a long time figuring out ways not to do it, not to build our machines. About a year and a half, 2 years later, we went back to MTA and said, look, we found out 10 ways not to build the machines we need, and you said you could build it the way we needed right from the start, so let's kick this off. Our relationship with MTA has allowed us to establish ourselves as the market-leading technology, and has allowed us to scale our business in ways that I don't think would be possible without them. It really, I think, sets us apart from our competitors because of our relationship with MTA. They really want to solve your problems. They ask the right questions, and they're very good at figuring out very difficult to solve challenges. And unfortunately, we fell into that category, but fortunately, we found MTA.